So before I get into the reaction to the next episode, I wanted to show you guys something that I actually bought from HMV today. It was only like a tenner, but it's quite exciting. You know I'm a fan when I'm starting buying shit like this. There's a notebook, so I can tear out the pages to dry my tears when watching the show. There's a card holder kind of thing, wallet, so I can keep all the money in there that I'm going to rapidly spend on Walking Dead DVDs and merchandise. There is a mug, so I can spit out my tea at the latest cruel plot twists. And finally, a little keyring, so I can always have a constant reminder on my person that this show ruins my life every single day. So yeah, I'm sure I'll find some use for that stuff, but I thought since you guys are watching this reaction, you might be interested. But now let's get into the episode. Let's get a turn around and Laurie's there. Yeah, there she is. Standing over her grave in a white dress. Symbolism. I mean, I can understand why this world would drive you a bit, you know, mad. But time and a place. Did it have to be now? By the way, this episode's called Home, and I know it was only a matter of time because every show ever has an episode called Home. Surprise, bitch. Bet you thought you'd seen the last of me. Oh god. Show him like, what the fuck is this guy doing? The governor's lost grip on his people and his sanity, by the looks of it.
Quite a speech you gave. I wasn't up to the challenge and I screwed it up. I've done some terrible things. I can't believe these people.
Things.
But you all. They don't need to be terrorized. Certainly not by their own leader.
So you're abdicating?
We need you.
Where do your loyalties lie, girl? Ah, Daryl!
Nothing out here but mosquitoes and ants.
Glad we're sticking with them. Been pissed off if that was just it and they would have gone.
Squirrels bound to scurry across your path. If it so, that ain't much food.
I think you're just trying to beat me back to the road, man. Get me over to that prison.
You got shelter. Food. Pot to piss in might not be a bad idea.
For you, maybe. Ain't gonna be no damn party for me.
Aw, Daryl wants to go back.
Everyone will get used to each other. We'll sneak back in and put a bullet in his head.
Not assassins.
You know where his apartment is? You and I can end this tonight. I'll do it myself.
Glenn stepping up. Ooh.
You didn't know you were coming last time.
We're gonna defend this place. We're making a stand.
I like Glenn stepping up.
You and I will go down to the tombs. We need to figure out where the breach is.
You got it. You'll need some help.
No. In case anything happens, I need you out here. Who's on watch?
Would make sense that he's second in command if Rick's a bit busy hallucinating.
I was trying to...
I must say, I'm very, very surprised Milton's still alive.
Your battery is over here.
I feel like he would have died a lot sooner than he has, so credit to him. I do feel like he's got a shelf life though. I just don't know when.
You've been invaluable. And Andrea? I'm not sure where her loyalties lie. I can see how her previous affiliation with Merle, no matter how contentious it was, could cause doubt. You keep tabs on her for me. Of course.
Shady as fuck.
I just listened to Merle being the shit out of you in the other room. What could I do?
Oh fuck.
You go right. You got your answer. You go right.
No, be happy and in love. It's too much drama without this. Please. No. Oh.
Swore up and down that was the only weapon I had, but they said they didn't believe anyone could be so stupid and get away with it. So they turned my brother's house upside down and found his .38. Said it matched the description. There you go. Armed robbery. Tell you the truth.
I like that we're getting some backstory about him.
All about the truth now?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Although, does that mean he's going to die soon if we're actually learning stuff about him? I feel like I know him better than I knew T-Dog.
You're quite a lady.
She is quite a lady. She's fucking awesome. No, there's such an arsehole.
You know what's funny to me? You and Sheriff Rick like this now, right? I bet you a penny and a fiddle of gold, that you never told him that we were planning on robbing that camp line.
Didn't happen.
Yeah, it didn't, because I wasn't there to help you.
When we were kids, huh? Who left who then?
What? Huh? Is that
Holy
why I
shit.
lost my hand?
You lost your hand because you're a simple-minded piece of shit.
Yeah, you don't know.
Fuck.
I didn't know he was.
Yeah, he did. He did the same to you. That's why you left first.
Oh no.
I had to, man. I would have killed him otherwise. Where you going?
Back where I belong.
I can't go with you.
Tough shit. Bye, bitch.
I tried to kill that black bitch. Damn near killed him. Chinese kid.
He's Korean.
Whatever. Doesn't matter, man. I just can't go with you.
You know, I may be the one walking away. You're the one that's leaving. Again.
Holy shit. Drop the fucking mic. Actually, drop two. Boom. There they go. Oh. That was a great scene. I love that. I like seeing Merle sad. Because Michael Rooker's a very good actor.
I trust you with her life. I still do. This rage is going to get you killed.
God, Herschel's so fucking wise.
Wandering crazy town. I'm the next in charge.
What are you proving?
Oh, Glenn, what are you doing? I love you, man, but no. Listen to your father-in-law. Well, unofficial father-in-law. Beth's getting another scene with just one person, look.
Keep the bottle like this, otherwise she gets gassy.
Aww. We need more scenes with just these two sisters.
What are you doing out here?
I've got stuff out here.
Things.
How much longer do you...
Lori. It's all over. I'm seeing Lori.
mean you can. Just saying. What happened to the other group, that Tyrese and Sasha? Did they just kick him out? Have they actually just gone?
My brother? Hell no. He had a real money problem.
Problem.
He didn't lend me any. One time that summer.
Oh, you piece of shit. Fucking hell. Made me fucking jump, bastard. Go on. I did say we were learning a lot about him. Oh, poor Axel. He's getting shot to bits. Okay, so you can get Axel in one shot, but you can't hit anyone else no matter how many you fire. Oh god, it's like Glenn coming back. Who's that? Who is it? Is that Tyrese in that, or is that Andrea? Or has Glenn just got a new ride? I hope it's Andrea and she just smelled the bullshit. It's where Laurie steps out. Surprise, bitches. Or maybe it's the baby. Learn to walk very, very quickly. Oh. Or it's full of walkers. And this is just an evil, bitchy trap. You only got one fucking there. Give them a chance. Oh, you bastard. Oh, a smug ass face. Oh. As awesome as this all is, have to call bullshit on their shooting. All these walkers like miles away, they can just go and get them all first time. But they can't shoot human characters. On the plus side, Michonne and Rick are being badasses. And Glenn's back, so it's all good. All is well. And Daryl's back. Yes! And well. Yes! Oh my god, I'm loving this. Fuck yes. Well, they're definitely at war now. And the prison's not particularly safe again anymore, so that's great. Twats. Poor Axel. Axelrod. I loved that episode. I don't know why, I just really loved it. Aside from the fact that they can't shoot people unless they're walkers, which is bullshit, and aside from the fact that they seem to hype up Rick seeing Laurie, like hallucinating her, only for her to then get like 2 minutes of screen time in this episode. That felt kind of underwhelming. Apart from those things, I loved the rest of it. I thought it was great. I loved Glenn stepping up. I loved Andrea starting to smell the bullshit. I loved that last sequence as much as the governor's an asshole. It was a pretty clever plan, gotta give him that. And I loved that whole sequence with that little shootout, even if they just fucking missed everyone. Apart from Axel, of course. He got all the fucking bullets, poor guy. I loved that group coming together, with Glenn coming back, and then Daryl and Merle coming back. And I loved Daryl and Merle in this episode. I loved their interactions. That scene when, you know, Merle saw like the scars down Daryl's back, so obviously their dad beat them when they were kids, is what I'm guessing that meant. That was a really great scene, well acted. I liked the brief moment with Beth and Maggie. That was a really nice little sequence. I loved the stuff with Herschel talking to sense into Glenn and Rick, or trying and failing both times, but you know, not everyone can win. I liked a few badass moments from Michonne. I think that ending sets up a really cool little new group dynamic in the next episode, because they're probably going to be debating whether or not Merle should stick around. I'm kind of sad to lose Axel, kind of not. He had his moments, he had a couple of funny lines here and there, but other than that he didn't add a lot, so I'm not surprised that he died. They seem to be hinting at a little romance with Carol before killing him. That's kind of a classic TV trope, isn't it? But let's be honest, no one's good enough for Carol, so that's just how it is. But I just loved all the character moments we got. I loved all the relationships they chose to showcase. I loved that last little ending, that action sequence, and this kind of new team forming. I would have liked to have known what happened to Tyrese and Sasha and those four. Have they just gone? I don't really know. But I just loved that episode. I thought it was brilliant. I really did. Just those few minor things. The rest of it, loved. Flew by. Love it. 6 episodes after the season. I'm hoping... Well, I don't know. I mean, I kind of want the governor to die. I kind of don't. Because he's a really interesting character. But he needs to fucking die. I'm kind of nervous though. 6 episodes left. Are we going to lose any like more big characters before the season's out? I imagine we probably will. The rest of the season's shaping up to be really, really great. Really excited to crack on and finish this season and move on to season 4. This show. Love it. Thanks for watching.